Good morning and welcome to the World Watch News, your go-to source for morning updates from around the world. I'm Potiozo and here are today's top stories to kickstart your day. Musk challenges Brazil's court order to block X accounts, lifts restrictions. Economists are increasingly uncertain about Fed rate cuts this year. Maternity centers staff rush to secure babies in cuts during Taiwan earthquake. Concerns about eye discomfort appear to rise after solar eclipse. Yearly hurricane season forecast suggests extreme high number of storms. The largest 3D map of the universe reveals hints of dark energy secrets. Musk challenges Brazil's court order to block X accounts, lifts restrictions.
Musk challenges Brazil's court order to block X accounts, lifts restrictions. Carl, roll up the news.
Brazilian Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes initiated an investigation of tech magnate Elon Musk on Sunday over possible obstruction of justice. Moraes, who also heads Brazil's top election court, has spearheaded a crackdown on fake news, hate speech, and incitement in Latin America's largest nation, citing disinformation as a singular threat to its democracy. Magnate, an influencer and politician on the political right, will call his action partisan and a curve on freedom. That wraps up the news. Back to you, Marjorie.
Thank you for that news, Carl.
Economists are increasingly uncertain about Fed rate cuts this year. Pearl, what's the latest?
The U.S. Federal Reserve is determined to reduce interest rates soon, as an economic representative has pushed a summer cut completely off the table. Friday's jobs report reiterated the smiling and wavering spirit of the U.S. labor market and suggested further need for Fed fusion. All eyes will now be on Wednesday Consumer Price Index, after February's annual inflation rate of 3.2 coming in slightly higher than expected.
Thank you, Pearl.
Maternity center staff rushed to secure babies in cuts during Taiwan earthquake. Jennifer, suit it up! CCTV footage shows staff rushed to hold on to wobbling cots when an earthquake struck Taiwan. Surveillance video caught the moment the earthquake hit the Makerere Maternity Center in Taipei. Taiwan is still assessing the aftermath of the quake, given a magnitude of 7.2 by the National Earthquake Monitoring Agency, 7.4 by the US, and 7.7 by Japan, which struck near Hualien. That covered this news. Back to you, Marjorie.
Concerns about eye discomfort appear to rise after solar eclipse. Jubel, what's the news?
Google searches about hurting eyes spiked Monday afternoon, just after many U.S. communities experienced the total solar eclipse. The surges suggest some people in the sunspot were worried they glanced at it too long. It's a valid concern, eye experts said. Looking at the sun without protective equipment can harm your vision, and complaints of eye issues have been documented after past eclipse events. However, cases of long-term damage after eclipse aren't common. In addition, hurting eyes aren't the best indicator of severe problems. Injuries from solar rays. That wraps this news. Back to you, Paul.
Thank you for that news, Jubel.
Early hurricane season forecast suggests extremely high number of storms. Regine, what's the news?
Early forecast of the coming Atlantic hurricane season suggests it will be extreme, perhaps ever record-breaking. But Colorado State University, a permanent hurricane and a tropical weather forecast center, released its precision on Thursday. 11 hurricane, 5 of which expected to become Category 3, 4, or 5, meaning they have wind speed.
Thanks for that update, Eugene.
The largest 3D map of the universe reveals hints of dark energy secrets. Lovely, what's the news?
Dark energy, an invisible enigma that causes the universe's expansion to speed up over time, is poorly understood.
Despite making up the bulk of the universe's content, the universe is often to speed up over time. Is poorly understood despite making up the bulk.
Thank you for that news, lovely. That wraps up our morning edition of World Watch News.
Join us again tomorrow morning for another round of news from across the globe. I'm Marjorie Manel.
And I'm Paul Pliozo, signing
Signing off. Have a fantastic day.